I am originally from Switzerland. That's what my accent is about. I came to this country originally as a high school student, and interestingly, related to this conversation, I was doing a little project in this high school in Dallas, Texas, in 1970, and I got to do a 30-second little film on the first Earth Day for a local television station for a guy named Jim Lehrer, who then became sort of the main broadcaster for public television. So that was my introduction to sort of stepping into activism around climate. Been very active throughout, participated in a whole bunch of different organizations, did blueprints for everything from Rainforest Action Network to the Nature Conservancy. But the main work in my career up to now has been transformations of usually large corporations. And that's where also Kurt and I worked together quite a bit, did a lot of work. I actually initiated through the work from Kurt as well with the BBC for about 10 years, with BP for 10 years as well, British Petroleum, Swisscom, a lot of European companies. So always it was about transformative pressures that these companies were experiencing and how can they adapt to an entirely new sort of life cycle in their existence. Climate has sort of always been part of the work in some form or another, but it has certainly accelerated to a level where I too have not only children, I have grandchildren, and I don't think we can sit back and wait for someone else to do the work. The thing that brings me to this group is that I think that our ability also with this I4J orientation around jobs, around work, to actually step in to connect with people at work and to help companies in their work is kind of a sweet spot for us. And so that's what I'm most interested in. And you saw that in the bit of an outline I sent you earlier yesterday, where that's kind of the orientation I'm hoping to bring to this team.